to share something with you. That might put me in a very negative light, yeah.
Relationships are not my forte.
See if someone grabbed up my wife or something, completely different ballgame.
I'll walk away from it, and this has been like a therapy session.
First to the scale from Sheffield. His professional record, 8 wins, just 1 defeat. 5 of his 8 wins come by way of knockout. Let's welcome to the scale, Keanen Wainwright.
Well, Keanen Wainwright comes in, late opportunity, got the call, said yes. And a huge chance for him tomorrow night live on BT Sport against Eithan James. He steps in for Connor Parker, who has unfortunately been taken unwell.
134.9 for Keanen Wainwright.
He's 8-1,
And now
5
we welcome
knockouts.
to the scale his opponent tomorrow night from Northampton, Northamptonshire. Undefeated with 9 victories. Here is Eithan Jammy James.
Plenty in the room here for Eithan James, a standout amateur Commonwealth Youth gold medalist, multi-time national amateur champion, and now
140 pounds even for Eithan James.
to Eithan. Eithan.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, these two competing tomorrow night in a 10-round super lightweight contest.
Get both separately.
I'm going to share something with you. That might put me in a very negative light, yeah.
Relationships are not my forte.
See if someone grabbed up my wife or something, completely different ballgame.
I'll walk away from it, and this has been like a therapy session.